G'day guys, Tradie Trev here. I just wanted to show you this Deta Outlet. You wouldn't believe how old it is actually. Looking at the date here, it's the 2015 of the 1st. So January 2015 this thing was made. Look at the cracking around the switch mechanism. And then look at this shit. She's full on fucking snapped. And all the post here that hold the actual outlet on itself is broken. It's crazy. This has been in a kitchen, so I'm not sure if the oils have something to do with it. Oh, fuck off playing. Let's have a quick look at the switch mechs. Look at that. Clean as. That's really surprising. So they must be using proper plating on that. It's nice. I actually thought here, this here would be the loosest connection, the switch mech and this piece of metal. But I'm afraid not. It's the plastics in these fuckers. That thing, 2015. It's now 2021. Get you $6 worth. For $1 a year, I guess. That's what you use this for. Like, I can have a go at it. Funny shit, eh? Anyway, enjoy your Deta, cunts.